ఓకే, ఈరోజు ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ చూసుకుంటే OSI stands for, first question, OSI stands for OSI stands for సో ఆన్సర్ చూసుకుంటే ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ ఓపెన్ సిస్టమ్ ఇంటర్కనెక్షన్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, ద నంబర్ ఆఫ్ లేయర్స్ ఇన్ ISO OSI రిఫరెన్స్ మోడల్. The number of layers in ISO OSI reference model. Second question, the number of layers in ISO so second question answer D, 7 layers. Next question, TCP IP model does not have dash layer but OSI model have this layer. TCP IP model does not have dash layer but OSI model have this layer. Answer, session layer A. Which layer is used to link the network support layers and user support layers? Which layer is used to link the network support layer and user support layers? So fourth question answer, transport layer C. Next question, which address is used on the internet for employing the TCP IP protocols? Which address is used on the internet for employing the TCP IP protocols? Options, so answer all of the mentioned above: physical address and logical address, port address, specific address. Next question, TCP IP model was developed the dash OSI model. Sixth question, ఓకే చేస్తాను, కమ్యూనికేషన్ మీద కూడా చేస్తాను. సో నెట్వర్క్, కంప్యూటర్ నెట్వర్క్ ఎందుకు తెచ్చానంటే లాస్ట్ టైం ఎక్కువ క్వశ్చన్స్ అడిగారు కంప్యూటర్ నెట్వర్క్లో, సో అందుకే తెచ్చాను. TCP IP model was developed dash the OSI model. Answer, prior to, first option. Next question, which layer is responsible for process to process delivery in a general network model? Which layer is responsible for process to process delivery in a general network model? Seventh question, answer, transport layer, seventh option. Second option, transport layer. Next question, which address is used to identify a process on a host by the transport layer? Which address is used to identify a process on a host by the transport layer? సో ఇంకా ఎవరైనా వీడియోని లైక్ చేయకపోతే లైక్ చేయండి. ఎయిత్ క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్, పోర్ట్ అడ్రస్ C. Which layer provides the services to user? Which layer provides the services to user? application layer, session layer, presentation layer, physical layer. Which layer provides the services to user? Ninth question. Answer, application layer, first option. Next question. Transmission data rate is decided by dash. Transmission data rate is decided by dash. Ninth question. Sorry, 10th question. Answer comment cheyandi. Transmission data rate is decided by dash. Answer, 10th one. Physical layer, B. The physical layer is concerned with dash. The physical layer is concerned with dash. 11th question. The physical layer is concerned with answer, option, first option, bit by bit delivery. Next question. Which transmission media provides the highest transmission speed in a network? Which transmission media provides the highest transmission speed in a network? సో ఆన్సర్ చూసుకుంటే ఆప్టికల్ ఫైబర్. సో ఆప్టికల్ ఫైబర్లో మనం అప్ టు 1000 MB per second కూడా ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ అనేది చేయొచ్చు డేటాని. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. బిట్ కెన్ బి సెంట్ ఓవర్ గైడెడ్ అండ్ అన్గైడెడ్ మీడియా యాజ్ అన్లాక్ సిగ్నల్ బై డాష్. సో డిజిటల్ మాడ్యులేషన్, యాంప్లిట్యూడ్ మాడ్యులేషన్, ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ మాడ్యులేషన్, ఫేస్ మాడ్యులేషన్. 13th క్వశ్చన్. Bits can be sent over guided and unguided media as unlock signal by dash. Answer, 13th one, digital modulation. Next question. The port of physical layer that interfaces with the media access control sublayer is called a dash. The port of physical layer that interfaces with the media access control sublayer is called dash. 14th one. Answer, option A, physical signaling sublayer, first option. Next question. The physical layer provides dash. The physical layer provides dash. The physical layer provides dash. Physical layer. The physical layer will provide mechanical specifications of electrical connectors and cables. Next, electrical specification of transmission line signal level. Next, specification for IR over optical fiber. So, all of the above is the answer. Next question. In a synchronous serial communication, the physical layer provides dash. In in a synchronous serial communication, the physical layer provides dash. Answer, both start and stop signaling and flow control. C answer. The physical layer is responsible for dash. The physical layer is responsible for dash. 17th question. Answer. So all of the above mentioned, the physical layer is responsible for line coding, channel coding and modulation. Next question. The physical layer translates logical communication requests from the dash into hardware specific operations. The physical layers translates logical communications requests from the dash into the hardware specific operations. 18th question. So 18th one answer చూసుకుంటే data link layer, first option. A single channel is shared by multiple signals by dash. A single channel is shared by multiple signals by dash. So 19th one. So answer చూసుకుంటే multiplexing C answer. Wireless transmission of signals can be done via dash. Wireless transmission of signals can be done via dash. Twentieth question. So answer చూసుకుంటే wireless transmission of signals can be done via radio waves, microwaves, next infrared waves. So answer is all of the mentioned above. Okay, next question. The data link layer takes the packets from dash and encapsulates them into frames of transmission. The data link layer takes the packets from dash and encapsulate them into frames for transmission. The data link layer takes the packets from dash. 21st question. So andarki thank you, andaru happy teachers day antunnaru, andarki thank you. So answer చూసుకుంటే network layer, first option. Next question. Which of the following tasks is not done by data link layer? Which of the following task is not done by data link layer? Framing, error controller, flow controller, channel coding. 22nd question. Framing, error control, flow control, channel coding. Which of the following task is not done by data link layer? 22nd question. So answer చూసుకుంటే channel coding D. Next question. Which sublayer of the data link layer performs data link functions that depends upon the type of medium? Which sublayer of the data link layer perform data link functions that depend upon the type of medium? 23rd question. సో వీడియోని ఇంకా ఎవరైనా లైక్ చేయకపోతే లైక్ చేయండి. సో ఎవరైతే లైవ్ చూస్తున్నారో అందరూ వీడియోని లైక్ చేయండి. సో మీ సపోర్ట్ కూడా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. వీడియోని లైక్ చేయండి. సో చాలా తక్కువ మంది వచ్చారు ఈరోజు లైవ్, 272 మెంబర్స్ మాత్రమే వచ్చారు. సో అందరూ వీడియోని లైక్ చేయండి. అందరూ వీడియోని లైక్ చేయండి. సో ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ దీనికి ఆన్సర్ చూసుకుంటే 23rd దానికి మీడియా యాక్సిస్ కంట్రోల్ సబ్ లేయర్. బి ఆప్షన్. Header of the frame generally contains dash. Header of a frame generally contains dash. Twenty-fourth question. Twenty-fourth one. Answer. Header of a frame generally contains synchronization bytes, addresses, then frame identifier. So answer is all of the mentioned above. Next question. Automatic repeat request error management mechanism is provided by dash. Automatic repeat request error management mechanism is provided by dash. 25th question. 25th question. Logical link control sublayer. First option. Next question. When two or more bits in a data unit has been changed during the transmission, the error is called dash. When two or more bits in a data unit has been changed during the transmission, the error is called dash. 26th question. 26th question. Answer. Burst error. B. Next question. CRC stands for. CRC stands for. CRC stands for cyclic redundancy check. First option. Which of the following is a data link protocol? Which of the following is a data link protocol? Which of the following is a data link protocol? Answer. 28th one. So Ethernet, point to point protocol, then HDLC. So all of the mentioned above is the correct answers. Which of the following is the multiple access protocol for channel access control? Which of the following is the multiple access protocol for channel access control? 29th question. 29th question. So answer చూసుకుంటే option C, both CSMAR-CD and CSMAR-CA. Next question. The technique of temporarily delaying outgoing acknowledgements so that they can be hooked onto the next outgoing data frame is called dash. 30th question. Thirtieth. 30th ఆన్సర్ చూసుకుంటే పిగ్గీ బ్యాకింగ్. ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. ద నెట్వర్క్ లేయర్ ఈజ్ concerned with dash of data. The network layer is concerned with dash of data. Bits, frames, packets, bytes. Bits, frames, packets, bytes. 31st question. The network layer is concerned with dash of data. So answer is packets. C option. Which one of the following is not a function of network layer? Which one of the following is not a function of network layer? 32nd question. So 32nd question, which one of the following is not a function of a network layer? Answer, error control, D. A 4-byte IP address consists of dash. A 4-byte IP address consists of dash. So IP means internet protocol. A 4-bit IP address consists of, answer, network address and host address. Next question. In virtual circuit network, each packet contains dash. In virtual circuit network, each packet contains dash. 34th question. So, in a virtual circuit, each packet contains a short virtual circuit identifier number, a short VC number. 34th question answer B. Which of the following routing algorithms can be used for network layer design? Which of the following routing algorithms can be used for network layer design? 35th question. So answer చూసుకుంటే, so we can use shortest path algorithm, distance vector routing, link state routing. So all of the mentioned above correct. So answer is D. Which of the following is not correct in relation to multi-destination routing? Which of the following is not correct in relation to multi-destination routing? So 36th one, answer, data is not sent by packets. C. A subset of a network that includes all the routers but contains no loop is called a dash. A subset of a network that includes all the routers but contains no loop is called dash. ఆన్సర్ కామెంట్ చేయండి. ఇంకా వీడియోని ఎవరైనా లైక్ చేయకపోతే లైక్ చేయండి. 37th question, answer, first option, spanning tree. Next question. Which one of the following algorithm is not used for congestion control? 38th one. 38th one, answer, routing information protocol. D answer. The network layer protocol for internet is dash. The network layer protocol for internet is dash. 39th question. The network layer protocol for internet is dash. Answer, Internet Protocol, B option. ICMP primarily used for dash. So options: error and diagnostic functions, addressing, forwarding, routing. ICMP is primarily used for so answer చూసుకుంటే error and diagnostic functions, option A. Next question: transport layer aggregates data from different applications into a single stream before passing it to dash. 41st question: answer. 41st question answer: network layer, first option. Next question: which of the following are transport layer protocols used in networking? Which of the following are transport layer protocols used in networking? 42nd question. Answer. 42nd one: TCP and UDP. 42nd answer C. Next question: user datagram protocol is called connectionless because dash. UDP is called connectionless because dash. User datagram protocol. 43rd question: 43rd question answer: all UDP packets are treated independently by transport layer. Answer A. Transmission control protocol is dash. Transmission control protocol is dash. Transmission control protocol is dash. Forty-fourth question answer: transmission control protocol is a connection oriented protocol. Transmission control protocol is a connection oriented protocol, uses a three-way handshake to establish a connection and receive data from application as a single stream. So all of the above mentioned is correct answer. So answer is D. Next question: an endpoint of a inter-process communication flow across a computer network is called a dash. An endpoint of an inter-process communication flow across a computer network is called a dash. 45th question answer comment చేయాలి ప్రతి ఒక్కరు. సో సొల్యూషన్స్ పీడిఎఫ్లో ఉంటాయి. దీనికి సంబంధించిన ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ అయితే పీడిఎఫ్లో లభిస్తుంది మీకు. 45th క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్ సాకెట్, ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్. A socket style API for Windows is called dash. Socket style API for Windows is called dash. Socket style API for Windows is called dash. Answer WinSock, B option. Which one of the following is a version of UDP with congestion control. Answer comment cheyali. 47th question. 47th question. Answer datagram congestion control protocol. Next question. A dash is a TCP name for a transport service access point. A dash is a TCP name for transport service access point. 48th question. 48th question. Answer port, first option. Transport layer protocol deals with dash. Transport layer protocols deals with dash. So application to application communication, process to process communication, node to node communication, man to man communication, transport layer protocols. 49th one. Answer process to process communication. Process to process communication, B answer. Next question. Which of the following is a transport layer protocol? Which of the following is a transport layer protocol? 50th question. Which of the following is a transport layer protocol? So answer is option A, stream control transmission protocol. Next question. Physical or logical arrangement of network is dash. Physical or logical arrangement of network is dash. Physical or logical arrangement of network is dash. 51st question. 51వ question. Answer first question. Answer topology, first option. Answer. Next question. Which network topology requires a central control or hub? Which network topology requires a central control or hub? So last question. Which network topology requires a central control or hub? Second question. Answer star topology. ఓకే, సో ఇది ఈరోజు 50 క్వశ్చన్స్ అయితే టెస్ట్ అయితే. సో ఎవరికైనా విత్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ప్లస్ దీనికి సంబంధించిన 100 క్వశ్చన్స్ మొత్తంగా కావాలంటే కింద పీడిఎఫ్ పెట్టాను, కావాల్సిన వాళ్ళు తీసుకోండి. అలాగే డిజిటల్ అసిస్టెంట్ మోడల్ పేపర్స్ కూడా ఉన్నాయి, సో కావాల్సిన వాళ్ళు తీసుకోండి. అలాగే ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఎవరికైనా ఇంతకుముందు టాపిక్స్ కూడా కింద డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో ఉన్నాయి, కావాల్సిన వాళ్ళు తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఈ వీడియోని అయితే తప్పకుండా ప్రతి ఒక్కరు లైక్ చేయండి. ఇంకా ఎవరైనా మన ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. ప్రతిరోజు ఎగ్జామ్ జరిగేంత వరకు 12 గంటల నుండి 12:30 మధ్యలో ప్రతిరోజు ఆన్లైన్ టెస్ట్ అయితే ఉంటుంది మన ఛానల్లో, డిజిటల్ అసిస్టెంట్కి సంబంధించి ప్రతిరోజు ఉంటుంది. సో నైట్ కూడా ఈరోజు కుదిరితే నైట్ కూడా కండక్ట్ చేస్తాను 10 o'clockకి. ఓకేనా? ఓకే, సో ఇప్పుడైతే డిస్కనెక్ట్ అయితే చేస్తున్నాను. నైట్ కూడా కండక్ట్ చేస్తాను ఈరోజు చేస్తే 10 o'clockకి అట్లా. ఓకేనా? సో డిస్కనెక్ట్ అయితే చేస్తున్నాను. అందరికీ థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఈ వీడియోని అయితే లైక్ చేయండి, ప్రతి ఒక్కరు వీడియోని లైక్ చేయండి. భార్గవి గారు, మోడల్ పేపర్స్లో ఎవరి క్వశ్చన్కి ఆన్సర్ ఉండదు, లాస్ట్లో ఉంటుంది. 150 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటాయి మోడల్ పేపర్లో, లాస్ట్లో ఆన్సర్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, ఇక్కడతో ఈ టాపిక్ అయితే ఎండ్ చేస్తున్నాను. సో వీడియో అయితే